Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split cells diagonally in Excel. Now for us to proceed with this one, what I want to do is add a diagonal line here, and the way to do that is first removing text, right clicking here, and then we are going to use format cells. Now you have this border right here, so what you're going to do is choose a kind of border. So in our case it'll be this diagonal line here. There are also another one here, so depending on your use case scenario, I'm going to use this one for now and then hit OK. Now that we have done that one, we can go ahead and add the text. So first one will be time, and then I'm going to hit Alt, Enter, and then I'm going to add a date. So click OK, and then we're going to go ahead and reposition this one. So to reposition this, it'll be a manual work. So I want you to basically click the space on your keyboard, and there you go. So you can do the same thing for the date. Yep. So now we are good to go. And that's how you're going to split cells diagonally in Excel.